Viewers, my name is Christopher Watch. I am a resident of Soroti, Morapesi Ward, and I do poultry. This is PN Poultry Farm. We do a number of things. We do brood birds. We brood poultry birds that we sell to our farmers. I encourage very many people to come and learn more about poultry.
Yes.
Because it is what we have at hand now.
Yes.
We have very limited jobs, and if we can embrace this, then we shall have already created jobs for ourselves. We shall have created jobs for our children, and also we shall have created a generational job for our next generation that is coming. We are still here in the PN Poultry, and we welcome you people at any time. Feel free. If you want birds for 1 month, if you want birds for 2 weeks, once for eating, the contact is down. Feel free at any time. We still remain